Hello everyone, Will Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is March Part 1 for 2025 Patreon. We have Ruby back there. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down in the link below, and also the link we'll be looking at be down below for you guys as well. So Heroes Infinite by Raging Heroes. We got Ghouls and Goblins. So I'm guessing we're going to have a lot of proxies for Warhammer in many ways. Let me get that. So we got terrain pieces. We got ghouls and goblins and squigs. Yeah, good to have a lot more for $10 for all of these stuff. Let's see. We got clay centerpiece. That's great. Goblins. Looks like I got some orcs in there as well. Ghouls and goblins. Wars of the underworld. Meet the leader of their content. So female goblin spellcaster looks like it, and a ghoul with bat wings. That's kind of interesting. Usually vampire has it, but we'll see how this goes. I'm still working on my Age of Sigmar models for it. I don't have any. I do have orcs and goblins on this, so this goblins might add into that thing as well. We have a lewd ghoul. Ghouls are. I forgot what faction these undeads are called. They're from the vampire faction, I believe. So yeah, that is kind of that's a math. That's kind of cool. There we go. And let's see here. We got some goblins on spider. Centerpiece. What kind of centerpiece is it? Is it a goblin catapult? Yep, catapulting goblin. It's kind of funny. Become an overlord. All right. There's your shooty guys. Your flesh gashers. Let's see here. War rider. All spawn. So you may have to look at what Warhammer has and try to see which one this is. There's some big ass squigs, big ass squigs, and we got squig riders as well. It's kind of cool. Modular scenery, your terrain pieces. A lot of things you can do with that. A lot of bones and stuff. I do like these terrain pieces. It's gonna eat a lot of resin. I'll tell you this right now. I wish I had a lot more resin and another printer too. Well, that'll be it for that. Arch Villain Games. They do fantasy and sci-fi. The sci-fi one you can be proxying as well. So your Shadow of Gantos and Conclave. So we have like a werewolf. Looks like from Elden Ring. And Conclave. So pipe. This will be good for Mechanicus as well. Yeah, Mechanicus. Might come be one of those a tech priest. Let's see here. There's another one that's holding disemboweled men. Actually, pretty good. Details are really good on this one as well. This was actually pretty cool for it. I don't see that as a Mechanicus. See that more of squats. That's actually pretty cool looking and grotesque with that mouth wide open, chest cavity bursting out as well. Let's see here, we got barbarian, fighter. There's your. I don't know. It might be Mechanicus or it might be Necrons. I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to proxy the Conclave with. Oh, mix and match. Like a lot of undead stuff. That's kind of cool looking. That'd probably be a good Chaos Beast proxy right there. Yeah, Chaos Beast proxies. Is here. Looks like Elvin on the owl. Not that bad. That one looks weird as hell. Big ass thing. I think this is like part more of an Elden Ring style type of game, and see how that goes as well. This could be a drone, I'm guessing. It's weird. It's one of those things you're gonna have to research for a proxy for these guys, if you can. Clay and Cyanide. This is for D&D. We don't have anything for March. I don't know what March is going to be. but it's already out. So Undead Viking, Freya. So we looks like we're getting. Let's see. Looks like what you call it. Asgard style Odin. So we'll see how that looks later on. Just check them out later on down. So we have Green Dragon Hollow. So we are going to have something like this, but for Green Dragons instead. That's going to come out on the 10th of March and see how they look. Ruby, what are you doing? Go back to bed. It's late for you. Korea session, Goblin Candy Maker for D&D. You can find like a candy horror stuff for your campaign. There you go. Twin Goddess Miniatures. So we got some adventures and NPC. We got a Bard, Rogue. So here we got a what looks like a Warlock. The eye on the chest. This is like a Druid. Elf Druid. A Bard. You can just color your hair blue, like neon blue and stuff, and make a Miku Bard. That is a Rogue. Us from what you call it? My Hero Academia, Racerhead. Yeah, that's a Rogue. Goblin fighter. Oh, there's a goblin. Kind of looks like a goblin. Let's see, human cleric or fighter. There you go, human fighter right there. So for that, epic miniatures. What are you doing? Where are you, Ruby? What, Ruby? Having a puppy is too much. Let's see here. So we're getting Egyptian settings. I'm gonna try to put her up on the damn thing. Oh, while we do this. Oh God. She's getting heavy every day. She's getting heavier and heavier. So we got let's see, Egyptian, Anubis, and let's see here. We got Mummy Lord. They need to have the what's it called? Pickled mummy or a drunken mummy that does a lot more like curse damage and poison as well. Scarab Swarm, Mummy Army as well. This is probably good for my Tube King set. And there's your camels, your Desert Golem, Knoll Mummy. That's going to be kind of weird, but that's kind of cool to have an option for. Desert Druid. I know you love me, Ruby. Wing Red Bull Beast. A Gen female. This is going to be an actual genie female. Hippo. Camel Folk Warrior. Looks freaking weird as hell, having a walk on two legs. Lynx Fox Dancer. Mummy's Champion. Dragonet. Okay. There's a Wild Bandit one as well. So we got some train pieces, building. Hunt Owner. Wild Insects. So basically an Umber Hulk. Having a lot of Umber Hulks helps like bandits. Lots of bandits. We got chicken swarms. Have some freaking chicken swarms in your game. Shepherd Dog Centaur. A bulky lizard bandit. Horse wagons. I do need some of that. Do need some good horses. Don't need a mimic horse wagon. Mimic dummy. Dwarf female bandit. You got your goat mount. God damn it, Ruby. I know you love Daddy, but Goblin Guards. You got a long neck troll. That's an old school troll. Look. And they weren't green, they were brown for these kinds of troll. Raider female. Mask Headhunter, Poison Dragon. I think that'll be it for these. If you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a nice day. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Ruby. Bye bye. Ah.